Welcome back to Online Tools Master. Today, we're diving into the world of image editing with our powerful PNG Color Replacer tool. Before we get started, let's visit onlinepngtools.com, where you'll find this tool and many more. On the homepage of onlinepngtools.com, scroll down to find the PNG Color Replacer tool. Let's click on it and start with an example, changing the color of the moon. In this example, we'll get creative and change the moon's color. We'll turn on the Preserve Color Shades option and redraw the moon from cheese yellow to earth blue. We'll replace the yellow color, RGBA 252, 194, 82, 255, and match 35% of similar shades, including dark yellow and light yellow. This option calculates the white light amount in the yellow pixels and sets the same amount for the blue pixels. The result is a beautifully detailed blue moon. Check out how the moon retains its valleys, craters, and shadows, now in a stunning earth blue. Next, let's change the background color of a PNG image. Here, we'll change the blue background of a coconut cocktail party composition to pink. We select the background color by clicking on the preview area and match 15% of similar blue shades. We'll also smooth the edges to completely remove any blue pixels around the fruit pieces, making them all pink. The blue background is now a vibrant pink, and all the edges are perfectly smooth. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial on the PNG Color Replacer tool. If you missed our last video on the PNG Transparency Creator tool, make sure to check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tutorials from Online Tools Master. See you next time.